Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. In this video, we're gonna talk about the Jordan 12 playoffs, how I feel about them. Honestly, I'm a little biased, so I'm gonna give y'all my biased and non-biased opinion. This is a little sneakers live cop plus resell predictions, how I feel about them, all that shit. But leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more sneaker or streetwear content. Let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments down below. Yo, we on road to 20K. Come on, bro, subscribe to the channel. We on road, literally 800 away. Y'all can help me reach this shit sooner than later. But with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm on my way to work and it's 10 a.m. I'm like, yo, I need to get these playoffs. I already took my L from the JD Sports Reserve. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro, they've been blessing me. Literally, I've gotten access to like 7 to 8 pairs of sneakers. I've been slipping. I low-key put my notification on for it because I could have got these shits from JD Sports, but I took my L. I was patient and I tried again on the sneakers app. So you feel me? This is me right here entering, putting all my information in, just hoping for the best. Honestly, I had a good feeling that if I decided to go for them on the sneakers app, I would probably luck out. I've had impeccable luck on the sneakers app and I thought honestly they wouldn't fail me this time, so I tried for them. Probably like 20 minutes passed. At this point, I'm about to be at work and I got a notification. I'm like, yo, let me put the screen recording on before I click this shit. I low-key clicked it without looking and that shit said that I got them. I'm like, yo, let's go. For retail, we too lit. It's too lit. I definitely didn't want to pay over retail for these shits because I felt like they weren't gonna go for too much. Resale on these right now is probably like $260, $255 if I'm not mistaken. Jordan 12s aren't the most popular Jordan. In my opinion, it's at least top 5. I love the way that these look. It's just so clean. Hey, maybe I'm tripping, but the playoff 12s are a must in my collection. I got the flu games, the new bucks, and the playoffs now. I need the taxis, I need the cherries, I need the French blues. There's a lot of them that I honestly really do like. These are low-key cracking on me and these are too. So come on, JB, release some more 12s. Let us get the cherries finally. Down the line, these definitely will be worth more than what they're going for now, simply because there's a lot of sneakerheads like me that appreciate the Jordan 12 playoffs more than people that just want the hype from Jordan 1s, 3s, 4s, and shit like that. You know what I'm talking about? Like those people that actually love JB type shit. Like if you really look behind me, most of the shit is Jordan. Like I like Yeezy and shit like that, but I mainly do stick to JB because that's what I was raised on and that's honestly what I like. But that being said, there was a lot of quantity that released for this pair of sneakers, and the fact that there's not that much demand and there's a lot of quantity can be a risky hold. I honestly would let you guys know that if you're not in this shit for like a super long haul, this might not be the shoe that you're trying to invest in, simply because Jordan 1s, Jordan 4s are it right now. Those have a quicker turnaround. You could probably flip your money within a year rather than having to hold a sneaker for 2 to 3 years. You know what I'm saying? Like you can double your money in a year, which isn't that bad, rather than doubling your money in 2 to 3 years. Long term, I would honestly say this isn't worth it. This is more for the collectors or the people that just love the nostalgia behind some of these sneakers. Hey, let me know what y'all thought about the Jordan 12s. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more restocks, way more ways to get these shits because there was a lot of stock. If you're trying to stay tuned in for whenever there is restocks, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I will keep you guys posted. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. It is a quick video for y'all. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more content like this. We on road to 20K, bro. We so close to 50,000. It's crazy. Like, just subscribe to the channel. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.